Assalamualaikum students. Today we are going to learn how to write Haroof-e-Tahajji, the Urdu alphabets in capital letters as well as in small letters. So get your notebooks and a sharp pencil and let's start writing together slowly and neatly because good handwriting makes Urdu more fun and easy to read. All right, look at this page. I'm starting. I have given heading already Haroof-e-Tahajji, capital letters and small letters. So look at this carefully. First of all, I'm going to write alif. You have seen already this is capital letter alif, and then alif and this mad, alif mad, alif mad This is alif. Now capital B. Look how I'm writing, little bit slightly, and make curve and draw it little bit longer and go little bit up and place one dot under it. This is bay. This is capital bay. Now with it small letter means small bay. This is make little bit shape like this and place one dot under it. This is small letter. Now what comes next? Bay. The same as like bay, the shape. Look at this. The difference is three dots under it. One, two, three. This is pay, and makes smaller shape of it like this and place three dot. This is smaller shape of pay. Again bay, pay. Now te. Te is same like that. Bay. Place two dots up and smaller shape. This is te. Two dots up. After this te, I'm making te. Place toy. This is capital letter. Now make small letter. Look at the same shape like these. This is T. Now ending letter of this category means be, pe, te. Now say. Look at this. This is capital letter. Say. Now smaller. This is say. All right. After this, what will be coming? Jim. Yes, you are right. This is Jim. Make shape. Make round. This is Jim. Smaller shape of gym is like this. We have to just place this one portion. We have to make this one portion, this shape. This go like this and little bit like this is gym. Place one dot under it. Only this shape it can you can see it. It is the shape, same shape like gym. This is B, but it has no shape like this shape. This is of gym shape. Now gym after this J, same like gym. Place three dots. This is J and smaller shape. Make this shape and this little bit come forward. This is J. Jim Che. Now He. He has no dot. This is He. This is capital letter and this is small letter of He. Jim Che He. Now comes He. Look at this. This is capital shape. Place dot up. One dot. And this shape like same Jim but dot is up. It is He. All right. There are some letters in Urdu which have no small letters, no small shapes. Like I'm writing them in bracket, so you guys come to know properly. These are those words which don't have small letter shape. Bracket starts dal, dal, zal, re, ade, ze, ze. Bracket closed. Now seen. This is capital letter seen. One shosha. Okay, this is seen. One shosha, two shosha, and this is big round. This is capital letter seen. Now make small of it. One, ek shosha, second shosha, and this come little bit. This is seen. Now sheen, same like seen. One shosha, two shosha, and this bigger round shape, and then place three dot up. This is sheen, and make smaller of it. one shosha, two shosha, and little bit like this, and three dots up. This is smaller shape of sheen. After this, what will be coming? Swad. Yes, you are right. Swad. We have already known about swad, the capital letter like this, right? Swad, and make smaller shape like this. Same it is. Make this little bit go up and come forward little bit like this is swad. Smaller shape. Now zwad. Place one dot up and same like that. Place one dot up. This is zwad. Swad, zwad. Okay. Students, now toy and zoe, they don't have smaller shape, so I have written them also in brackets so you guys come to know these have no smaller shape. Now after this, what will be coming? Ein. This is ein, and smaller shape of it like this. Again makes this one, and then come to write this big round and place one dot up. This is Gain, and smaller shape of Gain is like this, like an, but one dot is up. The difference is this. After this, what we'll be writing? Fe. This is our capital letter of Fe, and smaller shape of Fe is like this, same. Cut up to here. This is Fe. Now Kaf. Make round and place two dots up. This is Kaf, and smaller shape like this again, Kaf. Now other Kaf, it has Kashak. I have already told you. This is capital letter and this is Kashak, and smaller shape like this, like, and make Kashak. This is smaller shape of Kaf. Now I have to make Gaf, same like this, but difference is there are two Kashak on it. Okay. Now smaller shape Gaf, two Kashak it has. Kaf, Gaf. Again, what will be coming? Lam. This is Lam, capital letter, and small letter. This is Lam. All right, Lam. Then Meme. Look at Meme. This is capital letter, and Meme like this. Again, slightly round and then come like this is small letter, smaller shape. Okay. After Gain there is Fe. I have already written here Fe like this. This is capital Fe, and smaller Fe, it is like this. Make little bit round and come little bit forward and make place one dot. It is smaller Fe. Then Kaf. Make round and come like this. Place two dot up. This is Kaf, and smaller shape of Kaf is like this. And other Kaf. This is capital letter, and place Kashak. This is Kashak. It is called Kashak. Kaf, and smaller shape like this, and again place Kashak on it. This is smaller letter, same like Kaf. It is Gaf, but it has two Kashak up. All right, and smaller shape of Gaf is like this. After this there is Lam, and smaller shape of Lam is this. Then Meme is coming. Look at Meme. This is Meme. All right, and smaller shape of Meme is like this. Lam, Meme. Then Noon. Make circle, half circle, place one dot. This is capital shape, and this small shape is Noon like this. Lam, Meme, Noon. Then Wow. All right, this is Wow, but Wow has no smaller shape, so I have placed bracket around it. Now there is Hey. What comes? Hey. Goal Hey, round Hey. Its shape is like this, smaller shape. This is Hey. After this, Hamza. Hamza has also not shape, smaller shape, so I have also given bracket around it. After this, Choti A. Look at this, Choti A. This is capital letter Choti A, and smaller shape of it is like this, and place two dot under it. This is Choti A. And again Badi A, capital letter, and small letter of it like this, again Choti A, place 2 dot under it. Choti A and Badi A, they have same shape of smaller shape. So you have seen now I have how I have written smaller letters, small letters. Okay, capital letters already you guys know. So great job everyone. Today you have learned how to write Haroof-e-Tahajji, capital and small letters, step by step. Remember, the more you practice, the more beautiful your Urdu handwriting will become. In our next lesson, we will continue practicing and also learn how these letters join together to make words. So don't forget to keep writing these words at home every day. If you enjoyed today's class, give me and if you enjoyed today's class, give this video a like. If you enjoyed today's class, give this video a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe so you never will forget. So you never miss our so you never miss our next video. So you never miss our next Urdu learning video. Until next time, Allah Hafiz. If you enjoyed today's class, give this video a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe so you never miss our. If you enjoyed today's class, give the video a like, start it with your. If you enjoyed today's class, give this video a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe so you never miss our next Urdu learning video. Until next time, and Allah Hafiz.